Sutanghon, dan lumpiang Shanghai, fish fillet, rice, tartar sauce in Shanghai sauce, and then so many Shanghai and Sutanghon, ginataang bilo-bilo and caldereta. Ayan po mga ka-sweetheart, ready to deliver for the Christmas party. Ayan, done. Kapagod. 3 a.m. pa lang gising na para maghanda. Advance Merry Christmas everyone! Sana maging masaya ang Pasko nating lahat at marami pang Pasko ang dumating sa buhay natin with family. God bless everyone! Thank you for watching. Bye!